Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted to export your Notion data for use in other apps or for some custom project, but notice there's no straightforward way to get it as a JSON file, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through how you can export data from Notion and convert it into a JSON file, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly get your Notion content into a format that's much more developer-friendly and ready for all kinds of automation or analysis tasks. Let's dive right into it. First, open up your Notion workspace to the page you want to export. Over on the top right corner, you'll see 3 little dots. This is the More menu. Go ahead and click that. It might seem like a small detail, but these dots are your gateway to all sorts of export and sharing options. Sometimes menus like this can feel hidden in plain sight, so if you don't see them right away, just make sure you're on the main page, not in a subblock. Next, look for the Export button in the drop-down menu. It's usually about halfway down, but don't rush. Take a moment to scan the options if it doesn't jump out immediately. When you select Export, Notion will ask what format you want. Now here's the twist. Notion doesn't let you export directly as JSON. The closest options are PDF, HTML, and Markdown. For this method, we're going to choose PDF. So go ahead and select PDF, then click Export. Don't worry if you're questioning this. We'll be converting the PDF in just a minute. This exporting step may take a few seconds, especially if your page has lots of images or embedded content. When it's done, Notion will prompt you to download the PDF file. Be sure to save it somewhere you can easily find, maybe your desktop or a dedicated Notion exports folder. With your PDF handy, open a new tab in your browser and head to Google. Type in PDF to JSON converter. You'll see lots of results, but generally, any widely used site with good reviews will do the trick. Tools like PDF tables or Convertio are popular choices. Select a service that lets you upload your PDF and convert it to JSON. Before uploading, make sure you trust the site. Always check privacy policies if your Notion data is sensitive. Once you're on the converter site, find the button that says something like Upload or Select from Device. Click it, then navigate to where you saved your freshly exported PDF. Give it a second to upload. Sometimes these files are a little large if your Notion page is packed with content. When the file has finished uploading, look for a Convert button. Click that and the tool will begin transforming your PDF into a JSON file. This step could take a minute or two. Don't worry if it seems like nothing's happening. Most processors are simply parsing through the document. If you get stuck or nothing appears, double-check that the PDF isn't password protected or corrupted. When the conversion wraps up, you'll see a download link for your JSON file. Click it, and your data is now ready in JSON format. Whether you're importing it into a database, using it in a script, or just storing it for safekeeping, you've got Notion data in a much more flexible structure. And that's really it. You've just taken a Notion page all the way to JSON. Hopefully you found this straightforward and you feel confident doing it yourself. If you got stuck anywhere or something didn't look quite the same on your screen, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to help troubleshoot. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this useful, and subscribe for more Notion tips, productivity tutorials, and handy digital how-tos. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.